In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add calculator in Miro. By the end, you'll have a working calculator right on your Miro board, perfect for quick estimates, planning sessions, and collaborative work without leaving your canvas. First, open your browser and go to Miro.com. That takes you to your Miro dashboard. If you're not already signed in, just sign in as you normally do so you can access your boards and tools. Once you're in your dashboard, look for the option to create something new. Click Create New to start a fresh item. This is the quickest way to give yourself a clean space to work in. Next, choose Board. This opens a new, blank Miro board where we'll add the calculator. A fresh board keeps things tidy, but if you prefer, you can follow the same process on an existing board later. Inside the board, direct your attention to the toolbar on the left. Find the small plus icon, often labeled as More Tools or Apps. Click that to open the extended tool options. This reveals additional features you can add to your board beyond the basic shapes and sticky notes. From there, select Marketplace. The Miro Marketplace is where you'll find integrations and apps created to extend what your board can do. It may open in a side panel or a separate window, and you'll be able to browse or search for specific tools. Use the search bar and type calculator. This filters the results down to calculator-related apps. You should see an option simply called Calculator. It's helpful to take a quick look at the description and screenshots to make sure it fits what you need and that it works with your plan. If you're in a team workspace, you might see a prompt to allow or install the app for your team. Just follow any on-screen prompts if they appear. Now, click Calculator from the results to open its details page. This page gives you an overview of what it does and how it behaves on your board. When you're ready, click Run. Miro will add the calculator to your board immediately. You'll see the calculator appear as a movable, resizable element just like other objects in Miro. Drag it where you want, adjust its size so it's easy to read, and start doing quick math right alongside your diagrams and notes. If you plan to use it often, consider keeping it visible in your workspace layout so it's easy to grab during workshops and planning sessions. And that's it. Your calculator is now part of your Miro workflow. Quick recap. Go to Miro, create a new board, open the plus icon, head to the marketplace, search for Calculator, select it, and click Run. You're ready to calculate without switching tabs.